Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with the essentials. Use the original high-watt charger and a certified cable because charging speed depends on both. Once done, inspect the port visually, remove lint carefully with a toothpick or canned air to restore contact. Reboot the phone to clear power-hungry processes and shut down background sync. This reduces current draw so the charger can push maximum power. These steps ensure the phone is ready to accept fast charging. Now you move into configuration and testing. Open battery settings and enable any labeled fast charge or turbo options because software gating can block speed. Next, swap to another compatible PD or QC charger and high-quality USB-C cable to isolate a faulty accessory. Make sure to test with a power meter or an app that reads and volts so you can confirm actual charging current. If numbers are low, you've narrowed the issue to cable, charger, or port. Finish by addressing hardware and software fixes based on test results. If debris cleaning didn't help and contact is poor, gently replace or repair the charging port. Corrosion or bent pins reduce current. If your secondary charger or cable delivered higher MA, replace the faulty accessory with a certified PD or QC unit immediately. If readings remain low despite good hardware, back up your data and perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.